Hey everyone! If you want to lock and hide your WhatsApp chats for extra privacy, here's how. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. Open WhatsApp. Press and hold the chat you want to lock. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Lock Chat. Tap Continue. Verify your fingerprint or Face ID if prompted. The chat will now be moved to the Locked Chats folder. To open it, swipe down on the chat screen and tap Lock Chats. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Chat Lock Settings. Tap Secret Code. Create a secret code that you'll remember. After that, enable Hide Locked Chats. The Locked Chats folder will now disappear from your chat list. Whenever you want to access it again, simply type your secret code into the WhatsApp search bar. The Locked Chats folder will appear, and you can open it as usual. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hey everyone! If you want to lock and hide